for a picnic. Yay! Let's go for a picnic. So I was talking to Gemma the other night, and she was like, "Oh my God, you're such a bitch. I want you dead." I was like, "No, you don't. Why would you say that to me?" Oh my God, can you not put my dog on your head? It might die. You know, I'm scared about that thing because. Yeah. Please be careful. I don't believe Jeremy said that. He said he wants me dead. He said I hope I go for it in the forest and get eaten alive. Oh, but just because you don't do it with him. I know. I do want sex with him, so he wants me dead. That's fell out of order. We're gonna go to the picnic over there. For a picnic in a forest. Yay! and I heard about the story, but I know it's not true.
Story? What are you talking about?
I paused it. Did you hear about the story, guys? It was totally mental. Totally mental. The story. Yeah, the old man came into the forest and raised the chickens. Yeah, the chickens. And I Jeremy told me this, and I was like, isn't that true? But I think Jeremy's just a little shit. Just because I didn't have sex with him does not mean I'm frigid. Oh my God, I think I'm frigid.
Are you lesbian?
I'm not a lesbian. I'm just not frigid. I'm just frigid. I just don't want to have sex. I'm not an uptight cat. I just buried in my pants.
Oh, no, just run.
Run, guys! I don't want to have picnic.
You should have filmed before you got here. What's it buried?
This picnic's so good.
Oh no!
What are you eating, Chris?
I think Germany has got big guts to do what he's done.
You like a Rocky Road caramel bar?
And then move one.
I'm talking to you. Would you like... Who is that?
Oh my God. Jimmy, what the hell do you want? I'm having a picnic with my girlfriend. No, I'm not in the mood for sex. I told you I don't want sex. I'm having a picnic now. Why are you stalking me? Right, okay, well, I don't love you. Leave me alone! You're such a dick. I can totally feel what you're going. Yeah. You'll be right. I love the music. Do you like the song? Quick time! I'm getting the phone! Hey, Ravel! It's so good! Amazing. Oh no, my God! Oh my God, no! I just stabbed myself in the head. What'd you say? I just stabbed myself in the head. What is hurt? Hello? Oh my God, who are you replying to? Who is that? Go away! Oh my God, who was that? Was it your mom again asking how much more for dinner? No. Oh my God. No. I've got so cold all the time. Can you listen to me? Oh my God. That's chicken! That's no chicken. Oh, sorry, chicken. No, that's chicken. I'm scared of chicken. I'm talking to my live chicken. And just leave.
There's a condom.
Why is there a condom? We're gonna go exploring. No. Probably just try to pick up everything. Not even scary. I'm not scared. I'm not pissing myself for a same. Why does that smell? It's awful.
god! Home, go for pill. Holy shit! I can't with it anymore! You can turn it off. How do you do that? How do you stop it? That one?
Yeah.
I think I've stopped it, I don't know.
I think I pressed record, I don't know.
Ah, the bucket fell down and the clothes choked me. I was like... No, it's still recording. Oh, Tommy! Tommy!